If you're unable to update your Xbox console normally, then this can lead to a lot of issues and can even render your console unusable. That's why in this video, I'll show you how you can fix any update related errors by doing some easy troubleshooting. The first thing you want to make sure is that your console's internet connection is stable. You can do it by going to the settings and then network settings. Now just tap test network and it will test the network for you. And after that, if you see you're having trouble with your network, then you can restart your router and don't keep your console too far away from the router. Or even better, connect your Xbox console directly to your router using an Ethernet cable and then try updating again. Additionally, you can try connecting to a different network and attempt the update. This has worked for some users. And don't forget to check if your console is connected to the right Wi-Fi, because disappointingly, Xbox console isn't able to save Wi-Fi networks like other devices, so you have to switch network manually every time. After fixing your internet, you should be able to update your console without any trouble. Now, if your internet wasn't the issue, then let's clear your console's cache by doing a forced power cycle. Turn on your console if it isn't. Now press and hold the power button until your console shuts down. Next, detach everything that's connected to your console. And after waiting a few minutes, connect the cables again, but leave the other accessories disconnected for the time being. This is very important because other peripherals can interfere with your console's updating process. Now power up your console and attempt the update again, and your console should have no problem updating. If you're still unable to update your console, then check if your storage is full. You can skip to this timestamp if you know you have enough free space. Shortage of storage can not only keep your console and apps from updating, but it can also disrupt your console's overall functions. To check your storage, open Settings, then go to Storage Devices under System. Here, if you see that your storage is low, delete some apps to make space for the update. Ideally, I'll recommend you to keep at least 15 to 20 gigabytes of headroom. After you've freed up space, your problem should be fixed. Now, if any of these steps didn't solve your problem, then the last step would be to resetting your console. Note that it includes setting up your console again, and the setup process itself may check and apply the console updates for you. Go to Settings, and then System. Now go to Console Info and select Reset Console. You'll have two options. I'll suggest you to go with Remove Everything if you can, and this should resolve all the update issues that you're having. You can move your installed games to an external storage if possible. But if you don't want to wipe everything, then you can try the other option first. But if that doesn't work, then go with the Clean Reset. In our case, we'll keep our apps. Now your console will reboot, and then the setup screen will pop up. We'll fast forward through this. If it didn't check for the console updates, then check for it manually after the setup is complete, and hopefully you'll face no issues doing that. If it didn't check for the console updates, then check for it manually after the setup is complete, and hopefully you'll face no issues doing that. There you go, now your console is up to date, and it will perform so much better. Don't forget to leave a like and sub to our channel for more Xbox content, and we'll see you very soon.